again. I didn't press... Did I press the jump button? I don't know if I pressed the jump button. Why did I? Why did I do that? Why? Oh my goodness. Ah! I'm so close. I think that's literally the end there. No! I don't have a sword. Oh, there we go. Watch out! The YouTuber X-Strike has a sword, and I have a sword. Nah, cheat. That guy's cheating. Stop cheating. Wait, there's someone else. Oh, they're both... No, this is not fair. How do I get them? Hey, thank you for bringing me my hammer. Please bring my blueprint. I got the blueprint. Wrench. I got the wrench. Please bring me my paintbrush. Got the paintbrush. Let's go! That was easy. Oh, I'm the only winner. I'm the only winner so far. Oh. Come on, blue team. Right, blues, let's do this. Oh my goodness, Get it, do it. No. It's not happening. We need to get the last balls. I don't care. Stop it. Blue team, let's go, guys. Go fall in the lava. Oh. Oh! This is so easy. Oh, that was close. How did he not? Let's go. I don't care. Will I grate this? Where's the pumpkin monster? Ah! He's over here, isn't he? Oh, that's the edge. Because I'm on top, I can just try to find where he is. Right, there's someone there. I think that guy's gonna die soon. What? Why is it doing that with my head? It's weird. Where is the pumpkin monster? Oh, there he is. He was there a second ago. Wasn't he? Oh! He's the pumpkin monster. Oh well, I think that's alright for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like and subscribe and comment down your favourite colour. Thank you for watching. Bye!